setting. You just press that.
And it starts. Look, there's your feet.
Hello, feet.
I have a vampire bite on that toe where I kicked that table yesterday. Also, the other toe's really bruised.
Ow. Gross.
Yeah, kind of.
Sarah in the pink is being braided by Caitlin in the green.
It's weird because green hair is the one hair color that I haven't actually dyed my hair. And pink, I guess. I haven't done pink either. Am I trying not to get any of your natural hair in there?
Oh, yeah, that would be bad. Sorry. I tried to tuck it all under and it didn't work.
We could just cut it out if it gets like trapped in there or something.
Excuse me? No.
I'll just cut all of Sarah's hair.
No, I'm growing it out.
It's really hard to get like the tips of the pink and the top of Caitlin's head. Oh, you're good. You're good.
Oh no. Oh no. They're gonna remove the lemonade machine.
No!
No!
Yeah. For now. And
Is it working okay? Yes. Lovely.
Look at that braid.
Bam!
I could even wear it braided. Would that look bad? I mean, it doesn't really look like bubble gum, but... And I put the crown on it. Does it look okay? Do you think?
I don't know. We have to see it with the crown.
I mean, I haven't made the crown yet. Whoops, that's another thing I need to do.
What do I do?
I do.
You're almost there.
It's so poofy at the end.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, do you have a rubber band for it?
Yeah, I got one.
And we have to get rid of any competing ring machines. What? That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard.
You're the stupidest thing I've ever heard.
She is pretty, like, obnoxious.
She's pretty obnoxious.
She's kind of one of my least favorite characters,
I
actually.
kind of like her, though.
I only like
She,
her
like,
about 25% of the
follows her
time.
She does what she wants.
It's a really long wig, because that's a really long braid.
Not going down that fight.
It's just like one big handful of poof.
No, it's not.
I know, it's weird to braid that. My hands are going to smell like fabric softener for, like, ever.
Yeah, mine already do, and I barely touched these things.
Well, bam, fool!
Woo! That feels cool. Okay, okay, okay.
You're getting like the down below shot.
Okay, whatever.
Or I could do like the
Whatever.
straight on shot,
Whatever.
but your battery's blinking.
Oh no, quick! Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay, Caitlin, it's Monday and you're in my kitchen, so you know what I'm saying, but that's okay. I'm really excited about ECCC and we're going there and we're going to be there and it's really exciting. And I think I'm most excited about Finn the Human's voice being there, but I'm also really excited about Pinkie Pie's voice being there. And I'm also really excited about Welcome to Night Vale being there because there's going to be some really great stuff. Like the things that we went to last year where they had all the people read from Star Wars, that's going to be really great this year with the people that are there. And live Welcome to Night Vale, that's going to be like the greatest. And I was looking over the schedule and it looks like there's just going to be some other good stuff too, and I'm talking really fast because my battery's dying, but I'm excited for us to get our schedules when we get there because then we can like mark off what we're gonna eat and what we're gonna see, and then we can eat pierogi and go to Turkish and get delicious stuff, and it's gonna be great. Okay, Caitlin, you're in my kitchen, so I'm gonna go talk to you for realsies. No, weirdo. Okay, keep being authentically awesome, even though
And then I
you're
wasn't in
right
the kitchen.
there.